Hello everybody, welcome to some few other collocations. به چند تا collocation دیگه خوش اومدید. Blissfully unaware. زهرا کاملا از خدا بیخبر بود. اصلا نمیدونست. اصلا تو وادی نبود، تو باغ نبود. She was blissfully unaware that she was in danger. She was blissfully unaware. یعنی کاملا ناآگاه بود. She was blissfully unaware that she was in danger. To be aware of something یعنی آگاهی داشتن. To be aware of something. To be aware. She was blissfully unaware یعنی کاملا ناآگاه بود. That she was in danger. من سعی کردم همه چی رو بهش بگم. I tried to inform her or let her know. بهش خبر بدم. Let her know or inform her to understand the situation. موضوع رو بفهمه. To understand how the situation was. اوضاع از چه قرار بود. Then she needs to take care of something. از یه چیزی مراقبت کنه. Because she was blissfully unaware. She was blissfully unaware. I'm fully aware. یعنی کاملا آگاهی دارم به این مسئله. I'm fully aware. پس unaware یعنی ناآگاه. Aware یعنی آگاه. I'm fully aware that there are serious problems. به این مشکلات جدی میشه serious problems. حل مشکلات solving the problems. بالاخره finally when you face a problem وقتی مواجه میشی when you face a problem you should try your best do your best تلاشتو بکنی to solve the problems. to اینجا معنی که معنی میده. I'm doing my best نهایت تلاشمو میکنم که حلش کنم to solve the problems. I know there are serious problems in my life. مشکلات جدی وجود داره. Serious problem. I'm fully aware. یعنی کاملا آگاهم. I'm fully aware. I'm completely aware that there are serious problems in my life. I'm responsible for my problems. مسئول مشکلاتم. And I will do my best to solve the problems, to deal with the problems. Deal with the problems. یعنی کلنجار برم حلشون کنم. Solve the problems. Solve the problems. I will do my best to find solution. راه حلی پیدا کنم. To find a solution to solve my problems. This is my problem. مشکل منه. And it is a serious problem. ببین چجوری دارم استفاده میکنم. همین جوری باید استفاده کنی. You need to use them in this way. I'm going to put you on the right track. تو مسیر درست قرار بدم. Use these phrases, collocations in everyday conversation. I know my life is full of problems. زندگیم پر مشکلاته. I will accept them. قبولش میکنم. I will solve them. حلش میکنم. And I will fight. And I will beat them. حلشون میکنم. شکستشون میدم. The problems can't break me. نمیتونم منو بشکنم. I won't be broken by the problems. توسط مشکلات نخواهم شکست. I won't be broken by the problems. I will solve my problems. I'm fully aware. کاملا آگاهی دارم. I'm fully aware that there are serious problems in my life. Serious problems in my life. I'll accept them. I'll fight. I'll face them. باشون مواجه میشم to solve my problems. And I won't get any help from anybody. از کسی کمک نمیگیرم. I won't get any help from anybody. I will try to stand on my own feet. رو پای خودم وایسم. I'll try to stand on my own feet to solve the problems. Have you got any problem? مشکلی داری؟ Are you thinking about solving the problems? به حل کردن مشکلات فکر میکنی. Are you thinking about solving the problems? Do you think فکر میکنی your problems are serious or not serious? How would you like to solve your problems? چجوری میخوای حلش کنی؟ Would you like to solve your problems by yourself or you need any consultants? به مشاور نیاز داری. Do you need any consultants to help you solve the problems? Do you need any person? Do you need anybody to help you solve the problems? Or you can handle them, you can deal with them, you can solve them by yourself, on your own. به تنهایی. By yourself or on your own. وقتی از کسی میپرسی که Are you happily married؟ یعنی ازدواجت راضیه. Yes, I'm happily married. I'm single, but I asked my friend Mohsen, I asked him, are you happily married? He said, yeah, I'm happily married. I asked Jack, are you happily married? از ازدواجت راضی هستی؟ گفت, he said, yes, I'm happily married. I'm happily married. Are you happily married? Happily married or not? پس وقتی من میگم serious problems، مشکلات جدی. You should take it seriously. Take your problems seriously. مشکلات باید جدی بگیری. Take your problems seriously and do your best to solve your problems. تمام تلاشت بکنی. Put all your effort, put all your energy, انرژی تو بذاری. Put all your energy and effort, put all your energy and effort to solve your problems. And for sure, God will help you. خدا کمکت میکنه. You're strong. قوی هستی. You're a strong man. You're a strong woman. You're a strong girl. You're a strong boy. به خودت بگو. I'm a strong person. I will get over my problems. به مشکلاتم غلبه میکنم. They won't stop me from making progress. مشکلاتم مانع پیشرفتم نمیشن. They won't stop me from making progress. They won't stop me. Won't همون will not. They won't stop me. یعنی مانع من نمیشن from making progress. I will make progress even if حتی اگه there are serious problems in my life. I don't care. میگه اهمیت نمیدم چند تا مشکل دارم. I don't care how many problems I have in my life. I will write them down. یکی می نویسم. And I will try to solve every single problems. تک تک مشکلات حلش میکنم. I'm a strong person. I believe in myself. به خودم ایمان دارم. And I'm sure I'll deal with them. از عهدهشون برمیام. I will get over my problems, overcome my problems. I'm not a weak person. آدم ضعیفی نیستم. I'm not a weak person. I'm a strong person and I can solve all my problems. پس آگاه بودن to be aware، ناآگاه بودن to be unaware. کاملا بیخبر بودم، ناآگاه بودم. I was blissfully unaware. I was blissfully unaware. Please share my videos with your friends who love to speak English on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch my next videos.